Good morning, class. So, last time we discussed about the heating effect of current. Now, today we are going to discuss the magnetic effect of current. Means ki what is a effect produces by the current when we are doing a special arrangement. Okay, so for this we are doing just one activity. For this activity, what we have to do, we have to take a matchbox. Okay, and what we have to do, we have to wrap this mesh box with the wire, and we have to attach the corners of the wire with the battery, and we need to make a proper system. Okay, so like this we are just going to make it. Okay, and what we are going to do, we are just taking a compass needle and we are keeping inside the box of matchstick, which you have seen that this is the small needle. Now what will be happen when the switch is off? Nothing will be happen. In whatever the position we keep the needle on the matchbox, it will be remain same. But now what will be happen when we do the switch on? Okay, when we switch on this, so definitely the circuit will complete, and when the circuit will complete, the electrons will started flowing and current will start flowing. And when the current start flowing, we saw one very different thing, that this needle started deflection and it is showing the north and the south direction. Okay, now what we done, when we switch it off, then this needle is not deflecting, again it comes back. Okay, and again when we are switching it on, then this needle is showing the deflection and north and south direction it is showing. Now the important thing is that why this is happening and what are the reason responsible for that. So there is one very famous scientist here. This is the picture of this scientist, Hans Christian Ørsted. So he actually notice this observation first, and after that we are using this principle for many more things. Like in our school we hear a hooter, है ना, that hooter is also based on electric bell या electric current. ठीक है, and electric current से क्या हो रहा है, we are generating a magnetism, and because of that we are making electric bell. ठीक है, now we will read about that how this gong will work. Okay, so let's read about what written in your book. Take the cardboard tray from inside the discarded matchbox. Wrap an electric wire a few times around the cardboard tray. Place a small compass needle inside it. Now connect the free end of the wire to an electric cell through a switch. Note the direction in which the compass needle is pointing. Bring a bar magnet near the compass needle. Observe what happened. Now while watching the compass needle, carefully move the switch to on position. What do you observe? Does the compass needle deflect? Move the switch back to the off position. Does the compass needle come back to its initial position? Repeat the experiment a few times. What does this experiment indicate? We know the needle of compass is a tiny magnet which point in the northern and southern direction. When we bring a magnet close to it, the needle gets deflected. We have also seen that the compass needle gets deflected when the current flows in nearby wires. Can you connect the two observations? When the current flows through a wire, does the wire behave like a magnet? ठीक है, तो this is what the scientist called Hans Christian Ørsted also wondered. He was the first person who noticed the deflection on compass needle every time the current was passed through the wire. So when electric current passes through a wire, it behaves like a magnet. ठीक है, so nowadays we are using this concept of electromagnet, and when there will be a live class, I will show you the activity, ki how actually we are doing this activity. On Thursday we'll discuss about that. So now today we are talking about the electromagnet. Electromagnet means ki how something is behaving like a magnet when we are passing the electric current. ठीक है, तो electromagnet means the magnet only when the current is flowing. ठीक है, when the current is not flowing, this is not working as a magnet. ठीक है, so इसके लिए आप एक काम कर सकते हो. You have a nail, एक 5 to 6 इंच की या आप एक नील ले लेना एंड जस्ट कॉइल द वायर अराउंड इट. ठीक है, और जस्ट मेक अ सोलेनॉइड टाइप ऑफ दिस, एंड आफ्टर दैट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, you have to just attach this both the corner of the match corner of the nail to the battery attached कर लेना, and this is the switch. And when you see that the switch is in the on position, that जो nail है that is attracting a small pins. ठीक है, या all pins you can take it, so they are attracting towards it, but when you switch it off, then again it is discharged, and now this nail will not behave like a magnet. You can do this activity. It's very important, very fun activity it is. So hope you are cleared what is electromagnet. Electromagnet means that that coil behaves like a magnet only when electricity is passing through it. Okay, so now we are reading about the concept of electric bell. As I told you that we are using also in our school, we have an electric bell. Whenever we are switching on, that time a hooter rang, and that is a electric bell. Or normal bell is that which is a metallic bell or gong. You have seen that we need to give them extra pressure from outside. Okay, extra force from outside. Okay, now let's talk about the electric bell. So electric bell mein here you can see that this is the one metallic portion and this is the another one metallic portion, and now here you can see here this is the magnet, electromagnet, like solenoid which we form, like nail mein we are wrapping a lot of coil of wire around it. So same we make the solenoid in it, and whenever we are passing the electric current, this circuit is behave like a magnet, and what the magnet is doing, magnet is trying to attract this. Okay, so whenever it is attracting the hammer beats on them, and we listen a sound of metal or anything else. Clear? So this is the electric bell. I'm just reading this. We are quite familiar with an electric bell. It has an electromagnet in it. Let us see how it works. 14.20 shows the circuit of an electric bell. It consists of a coil of wire wound on an iron piece. The coil acts as an electromagnet. An iron strip with a hammer at one end is kept close to the electromagnet. There is a contact of a screw near to the iron strip. When the iron strip is in contact with the screw, the current flows through the coil, which becomes an electromagnet. It then pulls the iron strip. In the process, the hammer at the end of the strip strikes the gong of the bell to produce a sound. However, whenever the electromagnet pulls the iron strip, it also breaks the circuit. The current through the coil stops flowing. Will the coil remain an electromagnet? So electromagnet only behave when current is flowing. When the current is not flowing, it will not behave like a electromagnet. Okay, so this is how your electric bell is actually working. Now what you have to do, you have to draw the picture of electromagnet. Today in your classwork copy, question answer first to 5 already we done. Okay, so in the tomorrow class, live class, we will discuss the left answer of this. तो आज आपका काम है, you have to draw the picture of electromagnet.